Unless you have questions. Yes, we're running under Kapatiran Party. But more than that, we are Catholics who happens to be running for the top posts in our government. No? And we want to emphasize that. We are Catholics. The senatorial slate will file their COCs on Thursday. What is peculiar about our slate is most of the candidates are coming from Mindanao and the Visayas. Okay? Para ma-emphasize yung the need to represent yung mga mamamayan natin na nasa fringes, no? Marami kasing mga kandidato na tumatakbo na nag-identify sila na taga Mindanao at taga Visayas, but actually are staying in Manila. But our candidates are actually residents of Mindanao and are residents of the Visayas. Well, as I've said, we are Catholics and we are running for, in my case, I'm running for the presidency. That in itself is a policy statement already. We want the Catholic faith, the teachings of the Catholic faith to be applied in governance. We want the Catholic faith, the teachings of the Catholic faith to be part of the policies, in crafting of the policies of government. It's a pity, nakakalungkot na napakarami nating mga Katoliko, napakarami nating mga Kristiyano, pero patuloy ang paghihirap ng ating bayan dahil ang ating mga leader ay ang nangungunang hindi sumusunod sa batas. Yun po ang nais naming i-emphasize. Kaya kami ay tumatakbo dahil kami mga mananampalatayang Katoliko na nagnanais na gamitin at isabuhay yung aming pananampalataya maging sa pagpapatakbo ng pamahalaan. Yung pong specifics ng aming platform, we will release it as soon as matapos na itong sa filing. No? But yun na nga, essentially, we are running because we are Catholics. Right now, it's almost complete. It's almost complete. Huh? No. My running for the presidency has nothing to do with Grace po. Kay Grace po? No, I'm not. I believe there are a number of people who are already contemplating on filing disqualification case against Grace Polia Manzares as soon as she files her COC. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. My intent in filing the quo warranto case against her has something to do with her right to stay as a senator of the Republic. If she wants to run for the presidency, that's her own prerogative, and she has to take that risk. No? By the way, my running mate, one of the leaders of the Serban communities, Brother Bert Alba.
Good evening po. Ang masasabi ko lang, nagtanong kanina about our platform of government. Maliwanag po naman yung platform ng government namin ng Kapatiran Party. Nandun po sa aming passport to New Philippines, nandun po yung plataforma. Kung paano po, how we will operationalize those platform, pag-aaralan po at saka i-announce namin during the campaign period. Siguro hindi pa dapat ngayon. Yan lang po. At saka kami nga, ang sinasabi nga ni Brad dito, we are Catholic lay faithful. Hindi po kami pare o bispo. At saka we do not claim to be candidates of the Catholic Church. We claim to be Catholic lay faithful na nagtutugon sa panawagan ni Pope Francis na ang mga Katoliko, ang mga Kristiyano ay kailangan makialam sa politika. Ilan po ang aming motivation. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.